So today I have a video that I am quite excited for. Not only for nostalgia value, but also to, I don't know, point and laugh at things. And that's always good fun. So let me set the stage right here. I have a Game Boy Advance SP, I have a Nintendo DS Lite, and I have my PSP. Now, why do I have these here? So first of all, this is basically what I played on like all my youth, right? I would say I played the PSP the most, closely followed the Nintendo DS Lite and then the Game Boy Advance SP. But this does have the best game, or like one of the best games of all time, Pokemon Emerald. I think I have like 150 hours in it. Let me double check. Oh yeah, baby. No, I don't want to get copyright claimed by Nintendo. We all know how they are. 131 hours. Okay, well, that's close enough. So I'll put these to the side for today because we're gonna talk about this guy over here. So this is actually my second Nintendo DS Lite from when I was younger, because the first one, I had a white one. It was not able to have proper defense for my palm of my hand, because when I was playing Super Mario Bros. On the Nintendo DS, I kind of slapped it like this and it didn't survive. So I got this as my second one, but you know, this one survived. But the reason why I'm talking about this is two reasons. So I was in a used game store the other day and I found some great games that I want to check out here. And also, for all the time that I've used this when I was like, I don't know, 8, 9, 10 years old, I didn't know this wasn't the original Nintendo DS. That's why I picked up this guy over here, also in red. So this is the original Nintendo DS, and it only took, well, it took me like, I don't know, 5 or 10 years after getting this, figure out that there was an actual Nintendo DS, right? Because this is something that I've always seen and used to. I had never seen this one, held this one, played on this one, knew anyone with this. So I picked one up for myself. It is quite a chunker. It kind of looks like, I don't know, like a Big Mac or something. Like it has like 3 layers on it. But to be fair, when I grabbed it, I mean, compared to the DS Lite, yes, the DS Lite looks more, you know, futuristic and more up to date. But I do quite like the way you're holding this. Like I love the grip on this. This is a bit like smaller, and for my grown-up hands right now, it is a bit less comfortable compared to this. I haven't played on it yet because I wanted to explore some games with you guys. So like I said, I was in a used game store. I picked up some games there, and then I picked up some games online. I didn't know DS games were so incredibly cheap at the time. Like I bought games for like 50 cents or €1, right? So let me get the games in. All right, so we got 6 games I am extremely excited for. And as you can see, a whole €2 for iCarly on the Nintendo DS. I don't know what else you want more from this. So this is a game we're gonna explore. Then we have Jonas. Why do they have a game? I don't know, that's for us to figure out. Then we have Over the Edge. I don't know if anyone knows this. This was $3.50, so collector's item here. I don't know if anyone ever watched this movie or remembers this movie, but I watched it way too many times. Way too many times. Then, I know it's in Dutch, but it's basically My Secrets. I was just curious if this is just a diary that you can put like a code on your DS so people can't, you know, read your diary. I don't know, we'll check that out. Then we have Jack the Ripper. Jack the Ripper. Why? It's like, oh yes, let me go to the store and get the latest Ted Bundy game. So I don't know why Jack the Ripper has a game. It is quite weird, I feel like. But I mean, it is what it is. And then we have Imagine a Girl Band. It's even unopened. I cannot believe no one ever opened this in the last, I don't know, 20 years. So, oh my god, a lot to explore. But let's start with iCarly. And of course, we're gonna use my new, oh my god, we even got the booklet with it? Well, that was useless. I'm like so excited, not only to play these games, but then also to play my old games on this, because I do feel like this looks great. iCarly Activision. Oh, Activision. Where's the pen actually? I didn't check that. Oh, here it is. Oh. Oh, it's in Dutch. I'm sorry, guys. There's a save file on here by the person from before, and it said Carly is great, basically. You know what? Let me get rid of that one. I'm sorry. A quickie? You can do a quickie? That's crazy. Can I put it in English? Damn, the viewing angles on this screen are pretty bad. Play the story. Find the chickens. This is peak gameplay. Okay, so you can clearly see immediately what the type of game this is, right? It's just a popular series, you know, name slapped on a mini game, I guess. I think I have to write about this in my diary. Oh my god, there's more games about Laura's passion. Damn, I need to collect them all. But also, there's a Games for Everyone by Ubisoft. The fun company called Ubisoft. Matt's Play. Imagine Figure Skater. It can be a figure skater. Oh wait, did Ubisoft also make the Imagine? I have the Imagine Girl Band one. Is this by Ubisoft? It is by Ubisoft, I didn't see. Oh my god, this is peak Ubisoft before they did all the open world stuff. My Puppy House. Bunnies. Oh, I love this. Tigers. Why is everything written with a Z? Because was that cool in the mid 2000s maybe? Pets, cats, dogs, hamsters, horses. Even on the Wii. Oh my god. This is great. Let me write about this in my diary. Oh, you have to use it like this. Oh yeah, because it's like a book. Oh, wait, is someone's diary gonna be on this? The last time you played was the 3rd of April 2009? So this game hasn't been put in ADS since 2009. Wait, put in your PIN code? I'm locked out of my secrets, Laura's Passion game. Wait, is it just gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4? Please tell me a child did this. Come on. 1, 1, 1, 1. Nah, I'm locked out of my diary. Oh, there's a safety question. Maybe we can answer the safety question. Where do you go on vacation? Oh no. What's my favorite vacation spot? I'm gonna say the sea, because that's, I think, what a Dutch child would say. Maybe the beach? The Nintendo DS game will now be shut down. I can't believe it. Damn, I mean, it works well. If it's your diary, it just nuked itself, so... Maybe they put their code as their birthday, damn it. I got checkmated by a child. Someone that didn't know your code tried to get into your secret diary. Man, I don't know. 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm just signaling my inner child, okay? Wait, the last time they played was... Well, I guess this game cartridge will keep its secrets. But hey, let's figure out who the real Jack the Ripper was, alright? I'm curious if we play as Jack the Ripper, which would be even more messed up, or we're just trying to catch Jack the Ripper. It also came with a charger, and it was a third-party charger, and I plugged it in, and it just went... and it died. So I cannot charge this. We got Janneke and we got Ike. Great. Let me do a new one. This is like a portal to like 2009. This is great. Oh, I'm detective. We're going detective mode. I don't even know if you can like see anything. I hope this is enjoyable for you guys. Oh, I can do it like this maybe. Here we go. Yeah, this is just like a point and click puzzle game, I guess. Goddamn, I really hoped we were gonna play as Jack the Ripper. But you know, let's play the 2 music games, you know. Let's start with Jonas, my favorite boy band of all time, the Jonas Brothers. And then let's make our own imaginary girl band. Oh, this is in German. Oh, that's great. That's a language I speak. Notizen. I love when booklets gave you that. You can like put notes in your Nintendo DS manual. Knopf. Oh my god, it's the Jonas Brothers. Wow. Keeping it real. Are they like firefighters? Oh, didn't they have that in the show that they like had like poles they slid down off? I don't know. Oh my god, this is peak gameplay. I mean, honestly, it is more detailed than the last couple of games, and I actually can play this one. There's no secret diary, okay? I don't need a tutorial. I know how to play guitar. I'm a real Jonas brother. Oh, I get it. Oh my god. Real rock star. And I think that's a perfect way now to start our own band. And I can do even an unboxing on this one. Holy. Imagine Girl bands. Finally free after 20 years on the shelves. Yeah. Ubisoft again, eh? Do I have notes though? I do want the notes. No notes? Warranty. What can I do with my warranty still? Bass. Brooke 17. Kyla 18. Danny 16. Let's go. Can't wait. We're going hard, of course. I'm a real rock star. I played the Jonas game, alright? Oh, I'm gonna be the drums. Absolutely. What was her name? What was my name behind the drums? Danny. I'm Danny. What do you, wait, hold up. Skin tone, fair? What does that mean? Tanned, light, dark. What do you mean fair? What does that mean? Band name, Imagine. That's perfect. That's actually so inspirational. This bottom screen is not holding up well. Now this is real rock. Danny, I mean, you know, they told you would not make it, but you proved them wrong. 54% skill, and I got 5,000. I got 5,000 for that payout. 5,000. Worked so easy. But yeah, great stuff. Thank you very much. This 10 euros I spent for all of these games has been well worth it. This is good fun. And then the most expensive game, collector's edition, Over the Edge. Let me see what this has to offer. I think I watched this movie at least 30 times when I was younger. At least. Okay, this is all in Dutch. Dangers. Enemies. Humans. I mean, that goes for humans too. I mean, I think this tells you a lot about the game. The save files that are on here, someone only played for 5%, then tried again 5%, and then just left it. I love when games just have like screenshots, not even animated stuff, just lazy. Is this Ubisoft? No, it's Activision. Of course, should have known. Oh my god, look at this 3D world, and we got a top-down view, we got bird's eye view. Oh my god. Oh, it's a coin collector, I can already tell. You're just gonna collect coins. Can I beat people up? Nuts! Oh, it's a cookie. Of course it's a cookie. These controls are out there. Oh, I can scream in the game and it screams. Ah! Ah! Oh my god. Well, that was a whole section I'm gonna cut out. That was extremely exciting. But I don't know why I made this video. Oh my god, it's so dark in here. But the reason why I made this video is just because I found those cheap games and I was just like, I really want to check them out. And I also just really wanted to see the hardware of like an original Nintendo DS. And I do gotta say, I do actually like, especially for like bigger hands now, I do like how this feels. Like I do like this more than the actual DS, because it's also like well, DS Lite. This is also like a glossy finish on the back, and this is like matte, so it does feel a bit more grippy, I feel like. But yeah, kind of a silly video, but I did hope you enjoy exploring those undoubtedly like classic games. I bought them so they won't go to waste, they will be in my collection, and I even have a game that has been locked forever, someone's diary that has been locked forever safely with me. So I hope you had a good time exploring that with me. If you're dead, I hope you're not dead, but if you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'd love to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.